guys, coming to our new video. Again I am doing with Pawan because I want to tell something to you which we felt we need it in our BTech life. How a tier 3 guy can go to tier 1 and what is the need of going from tier 3 to tier 1, and we both are the friends from a tier 3 college, and we are the two people who got into MTech seats in NIT Warangal, and he has gone to NIT Trichy. I am belonging to CSC department and he is belonging to civil department. We are faced this problem. No one told us how to go, means how is the life in tier 1 after going there. So we want to tell you those things which we missed in our tier 3 college and which we, what we can say, experienced in tier 1 college. Now we will say in this manner, like I will tell one point, after that he will carry us his view, after that I will tell my view. First starting my view. Here when coming to tier 3 college, the academics are good, but all the people are not motivated and many are not interested. Only some 10 or like the people are interested, remaining or they are different. Many people are not with some motivation. When I went to tier 1, everyone is motivated. They wanted to do something. I found this motto in those colleges. And coming to academics, they are quite different. Here all we mainly include like we will learn something and we will write something. But in those tier 1, it is not like that. You will learn something and you will apply it in exams. This the curriculum is followed in tier 1. Maybe that is the reason the people are more talented than tier 3 people. And there is a myth that tier 3 people can't go to tier 1. We both went, right? Now I will ask my friend to answer this. Yeah, Pawan, how will you tell that tier 3 to tier 1 is a myth?
Actually, people used to, from the tier 3 colleges used to feel that going to the tier 1 colleges after completion of their graduation in order to pursue their MTech or a PhD, etc. in the tier 1 colleges will be so difficult. But it is a myth actually. We used to feel that myth in our BTech life, but we are sharing our experience so that you won't feel that kind of things. Because in BTech, while you are studying the BTech also, you can able to prepare for the GATE examination and as well as other examinations which you can crack easily. Not easily, by putting some efforts and as well
consistent efforts.
Yeah, by putting some efforts and you should dedicate some time towards that examination, you can able to crack this kind of exams and can get into the NITs and as well as IITs. Because in BTech, if you want to get 95% and as well as 94%, it will be so difficult, because if you are aiming for the gold medal, then it will be difficult. But if you want to just maintain the decent CGPA also is good, because no company asks for the gold medalist. They used to ask for 75%, 80%. Some explored companies used to get your resume gets shortlisted in those companies if you are maintaining just 80%. So 8 CGPA is a decent, right? Then you have to put that effort in the GATE exam or any other kind of examination, so that you can able to cope up with this and as well as those kind of things as well. So you can able to manage, and as well as after the completion of the BTech as well, you can able to be in a position to go for the job and as well as to go for the higher education. You will be having 2 offers in the hands, so that you can able to choose depending upon your capability.
Yeah, and many people who are watching this video, I think that you have tried a lot. You have tried in your intermediate intermediate means +2 to get into these tier 1 colleges, which are IITs, iiscs, IIITs and NITs. But now this is also a very good chance. You will get same thing, same life. You will enjoy a lot. You will learn many things which are very different from your tier 3 colleges. In this tier 1, the placements are very different. You can get in top MNCs and many product based companies. You can get into those companies, it is sure. Now coming to that, in events, in tier 3 colleges probably you will have less events. There the enjoyment is a lot. You can explore more. And how is about faculty, what you can say?
Faculty was actually, when you are in BTech college, the faculty were very friendly. You used to chit chat with them, you used to go to movies, and you used to enjoy with them also.
It is not for very few of them.
But actually I am saying about my department in BTech, but it might not happen with all. But when it comes to the MTech, the faculty were not that much close. They used to put you at some distance. But if you are having any doubt, they used to rectify it at any cost. But that much not friendly atmosphere you can able to expect in the MTech.
Yeah, and you can find all knowledgeable people in different streams. What I can say, one faculty will exploring in one research area and another faculty exploring in another research area. If you want to research in this area, you can meet that faculty and you can get to know all the details and you can work under him. It is possible in MTech, I can say that. And coming to playing, everything is your limits, beyond your limits. You can imagine everything beyond your limits. Everything is fine. You can go through your gate preparation. If possible, start your preparation from second sem. You can get into these places. I have started my preparation from second year. When you have started your preparation?
Actually, second year ending, I have started my preparation. It went in a good manner.
These are the things which we felt that if we have got this video in our BTech, it will be feel little motivated or little inspiring, or we will get to know things. There is a good career by selecting MTech. So I want to make this video. Luckily, Pawan was available in this time.
I just want to add one more point, because most of the people used to think that offline institutes, how can we able to go there and study and maintain the attendance as well. Nowadays, the technology has come in hand. So you can able to prepare right from sitting in this bench only. You can able to prepare for the gate examination if you have good Wi-Fi connection. That's all. So you can able to opt for the online platforms as well. You just have a try, and if you feel it was comfortable and you can able to gain some knowledge through those videos, then only you can go through them and can gain the knowledge, so that your attendance will not become a problem or a burden for you.
Because many tier 3 colleges will not allow to go, right? Because from us, Hyderabad, Delhi, Bangalore has good institutions. We can't go there. They can't provide 1 month leave or 2 months leave. So I took Unacademy and he took Byju's. Our stories are different, our preparations are different, but we both choose the platform, online platform, because we can't go their places. Yeah, still anything want to tell, Pawan?
Yeah, actually we both people have an aim to join in NIT or IIT after completion of our intermediate, but we cannot able to
crack
land up there. But we have tried a lot during the gate preparation, and we used to have extended our ideas, and as well as some motivation he used to give me and I used to provide him some motivation. But and at the end we used to land up in a very good institutions like NIT Trichy and as well as NIT Warangal. Hope you also will be landing in much more important institutes than this, like IITs and as well as IISCs. We used to wish you a very good luck for your gate preparation.
If you have any doubts, you can ping me in the comment section. I will clear all your doubts, and if you want anything from Pawan, I will ask him to make another video if you want. You ask the questions, or if you from my side, from NIT Warangal, if you have any doubts, you can ask me and ping me. I will tell you clearly. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, goodbye.